Welcome to the YouTube channel for day 231. So this is a video for the 18th of April 2023, a Tuesday. So I did exercise, Remote Wellness Academy, books, and insurance, and then IM markets. So my gratitude of the day goes out to the people at YouTube, people who produce YouTube content, people who administer the site. All of it's really good, learning a lot. If you're ever down and out, if I'm ever down and out, as long as there's a resource like YouTube, really you can devote your time to any of these subjects and learn from experts free of charge right on this expansive platform. It's really incredible. So I'm really glad that it exists. People take it for granted, but I certainly don't. I'm really grateful that it's there. If you have any comments or questions or anything to add to the discussion, please comment below. Like and subscribe to this video, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.